What's going on, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyandPaint.com, making this quick video for a subscriber. So he says, Tony, I have a green 95 GMC Sierra, but I want it painted with matte black. So my question is, do I sand the whole truck with 320 to 400 grit, then apply primer, or just apply the matte finish? It depends on your finish. I don't know what I'm looking at, but yes, you'd want to finish the truck down with 400 grit as a final paint grit to put your paint on. If you don't have a lot of feathering and metal showing, you could paint over it. I'm not sure how your clear coat looks, but I would definitely prime over metal areas, faded areas, feathered clear coat areas, and then flatten that out again with 400 grit. Then you could paint your matte black on top of it. So when it comes to matte black, I just wanted to talk about two different styles of product. Number one, you can get an all-in-one like I have here, which is a flat black all-in-one. It's a 2K paint system, which means you add a hardener to this and a little bit of reducer, and then you paint it on, and that's it. Okay, it'll dry flat. The problem with flat colors is that you're not going to be able to color sand and buff it. Okay, you can't do anything to the paint job once it's done. All right, it's susceptible to scratches. It's going to show imperfections and swirl marks. It's harder to take care of, and it is what it is, especially if you're using a single stage system like this. What I do recommend is doing a two-stage system and basically spraying like a regular base coat, clear coat paint job, but you're going to be putting a flattening agent in your clear coat to make the clear flat, and you can adjust it by how much flattening agent you want to put in your clear coat. So this is something that we use. It's called One Choice. It's a universal flattening agent by PPG. You can use it with all of PPG paints, and you could pretty much use this with any clear coat. Okay, they say only use it for PPG stuff. Deltron, Envirobase, Global Refinish System, Aquabase, Omni, Shopline, Value Pro, clear coats and stuff like that. But you could pretty much use this in any clear coat. Okay, any 2K clear coat. So, and it also has, like I said, different degrees of flattening. So the more you put, the flatter it'll get. And the difference with this is it actually gives you some protection. Okay, with a single stage flat paint job, there's no protection. That's it. You just spray it on and that's flat. If you scratch it, or if a bird poops on it and you try to wipe it and clean it, you could scratch it, and it just ends up looking like crap with heat spots. It really doesn't last long. It's more for like a one-time show thing. You show it, take a bunch of pictures. It has to always be in your garage. With this way, it gives you a little bit more protection. It gives you UV protection. And if you do like a semi-gloss, kind of flat, but not too flat, it's going to last even longer for you, and it's just a better coverage. So I would go with a two-part system and use a flattening agent like this. Here's another one, Hot Rod Satin Clear by Summit. I've never used this product, but there's different products out there that you can test. Here is a single stage like this by SEM, okay, called Hot Rod Black. It's basically your paint, hardener, and reducer, and you just spray it on one shot over your paint job. Okay, it's a 2K matte finish. But this stuff, they say it resists chalking and fading, so it might be a little bit more durable than some of the older stuff out there. So if you want to go with a cheaper system, a one-time spray-on system, I would go with test something like this out. Test it out. And then if you want to go with more, if you have a little bit more budget because you're going to have to buy clear coat, right, I would go with adding a flattening agent. So if you're on YouTube, I'll have the link to this PDF down below, and you could actually download this PDF if you want it. It gives you all the instructions on how to mix it and yada yada yada. It's all here. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe, like the video, share, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like the video. And also, don't be afraid to hit up LearnAutoBodyandPaint.com to grab your free 85-page auto body booklet. It looks like this. All you have to do is click the little link over here if you're on YouTube mobile, right here, the card drop down. You go to the site, put in your email, download that free book. Plus, we're going to send you a bunch of free trainings to teach you DIY auto body and paint. And if you have time, you can also check out the VIP section, the step-by-step program that we have that has minted many successful DIY auto painters and professional. A lot of these guys turn professional and they're doing, body jobs and in auto body shops, opening up their own body shops. It's unbelievable. Anyway, Tony here. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment for me down below. And don't forget to check out the links in the description down below if you're on YouTube as well. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.